Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I will guide you through setting up your Karbon portal login and securing your account with two-factor authentication. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your email. First, open your email and look for a welcome email from WLM. This contains instructions for your onboarding. If you don't see this in your inbox, check your spam folder. If it's still missing, contact us for a new invite. Step 2. Create your Karbon account. Open the email and click the link in Step 2 to begin. Enter your email address and create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Click Create Account to continue. Shortly after, you'll receive a confirmation email. Open it and click the verification link to activate your account. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication after creating your account. When you log into the portal, you'll see a QR code on your screen. Before scanning this QR code, make sure you have an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator installed on your phone. If you don't have one, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 4. Verify your two-factor authentication setup. Once you have downloaded the Authenticator app, click the blue circle on the bottom right-hand corner. Scan the code displayed with your phone. The app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code into Karbon and click Verify. Success! Your account is now secured with two-factor authentication. Some tips. Save your backup codes displayed in case you lose access to your phone. If you need to reset your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page and that's it. You're all set up and secure in Karbon's client portal. If you have any issues, reach out to our firm for assistance. Thanks for watching.